Welcome back to Conjuring Rock, where we enjoy all-season camping and fishing, and today we are really showing you how all-weather we are. It's the last of the month, so I was really cutting it close for completing the challenge for this month, and we got a whole bunch of freezing rain overnight, and we're expecting non-stop rain, so this episode is going to be wet and icy. I think we're ready?
Ready.
Let's go. This is gonna be fun.
Oh, this isn't any better over here. Aha! Oh, that's so cute.
So a very real concern that you must have if you're out in the woods and everything's covered with ice is tree branches can fall and are falling all around us. You might be able to see some of the devastation there on the ground that it's already caused, so we're on high alert for that. But let's have fun.
I found myself in a predicament.
You're stuck? Nice. You may notice that I'm not really struggling with the ice and pulling the sled, and that's because I have ice cleats. I offered the girls ice cleats, but they denied them. They turned them down, so. I might have to put them in the sled and drag them up.
You remember that time at Home Hardware when you were like, do you guys want some yak tracks? No, we good, we got it. We might have to go through the woods.
Lyndsay just slid back there and I caught her.
Here, Lindsay. I'll catch you.
Thankfully, this isn't a long hike. So yes, we're bringing ice fishing gear. No, I don't know if we're going ice fishing. I hope so. We're actually assessing the campsite right now. We're kind of checking out a couple of them. Since nobody else is in the park, basically, we might not go with the campsite that we signed up for, only because we're actually trying to find a safe one. We don't want giant trees hanging above us with lots of ice. It's just not safe. Well, do we want to scout out a couple more?
Yeah, we might as well.
Okay, so we've checked out 11C and D, and so far 11B seems to be the safest bet. But yeah, that's what we don't want. That coming down on the tent or on our heads just wouldn't be nice. No. So campsite 11B has a pad and it's covered with ice. So the girls are clearing off all of the ice. Looks like fun. Okay, we just got back from collecting some firewood. We got a pretty good haul, I'd say.
Hopefully. It'll last us like 30 minutes.
Lyndsay got some smoke in the eye. Well, we managed to get a fire going. The girls were instrumental in that. Trying our stuff out, trying to stay dry.
Yeah. I think if I get out far enough, I'm just gonna like fall over.
So the girls are trying to warm themselves up right now by sliding on the ice. We're just getting all situated for bed here. We had a pretty good day. We stayed mostly dry.
Yeah, I think we're dry like underneath.
Yeah.
Most of us is dry. Lyndsay's shoulders are a little... I might need to talk to our parents.
Cool, we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It snowed last night. It's nicer to wake up to snow than it is to rain. We've been trying to get the stove going. The pump doesn't seem to want to stay running, so we may not be making breakfast. We might just be packing up and leaving. Stay tuned and find out. So we could just start a fire and we could throw our pots on the fire and cook that way, but our pots actually have Teflon in them and they're not built for throwing on the fire. And we're like a 15-minute walk away from the cars, so we might as well just pack it up, maybe enjoy a bit of the scenery, and then go and... Okay, well, that concludes part 11 of the Frontenac Challenge. Final episode next month. Wow, hard to believe. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you liked what you saw, and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more. Catch you later.